Outstanding favorite number 6, Queen of Queens, and they're off and running. The lead is taken by Queen of Queens from the outside, and Grand Affair on the further outside, number 3, Luna Rosa, and Good Humor moving up on the inside. And heading for the backstretch, it's Good Humor by the rail, Queen of Queens on the outside in second, and Luna Rosa by the rail in third, and Grand Affair on the outside, Mega Max and Fair Heaven, So Gorgeous. And into the backstretch, it's Good Humor by the rail on the outside is Queen of Queens, and Luna Rosa, Grand Affair moving up on the outside in fourth, Fair Heaven running in fifth, So Gorgeous, My Ray. And nearing the far turn, it's Good Humor by the rail and Queen of Queens moving up on the outside to grab the lead. It is now Queen of Queens in the lead, followed by Mega Max in second, and Good Humor running in third. Grand Affair, Luna Rosa, Fair Heaven, My Ray, So Gorgeous. At the last bend for home, it is still the outstanding favorite, and that is Queen of Queens in the lead, followed by Mega Max on the outside and Good Humor. And at the top of the stretch, Queen of Queens by the rail on the outside is Mega Max, but it's still Queen of Queens in the lead, followed by Mega Max on the outside in second, Good Humor remains in third. Nearing the payoff line, it is still Queen of Queens in the lead, followed by Mega Max in second, and Good Humor, Grand Affair. And nearing the payoff line, it's a cinch for Queen of Queens. And finally, it's Queen of Queens, Good Humor, Mega Max, Fair Haven,